Hello, Pisces. Welcome to your zodiac reading. So, this is going to be for you guys from October 1st to the 15th. We'll be looking at the current energies, what's going on, and basis that, we'll be looking an outcome for you in the next 15 days. Also, guys, while watching this, please remember this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate with you. So, take what resonates and leave what does not. Okay? And a small tip as to how can you understand if this is resonating. Pretty much, if the current situation is resonating with you, then the outcome in the next 15 days that I'm going to pick up might also resonate. So let's see what's going on with you, Pisces. What's going on with you, Pisces? The World Tree, the High Priest, and oh wow, amazing. You are slowly getting into your power, Pisces. Like, I feel something. Okay, if there was a sense of confusion in your life, okay, if there was a sense of non clarity in your life, now you're getting to clarity. Also, I'm seeing that you've taken some decision probably to move somewhere or to go somewhere, which is bringing about this happiness in you. All right. I am seeing that you very well mastered the art of being happy with your own self. Okay. Um, Somewhere I feel that you're becoming a magnet for, like, maybe your happiness will now slowly become a magnet where people are going to get pulled towards your charm. Okay. I'm also seeing that this has not come to you so easily. You had to work really hard and you've done your bit, which is very good. Okay. Now I'm seeing that you're trying to be the best version of yourself, which is again very good. So it's a lot of self work kind of a energy that I'm picking up that you're currently in. Let me just clarify the world card right now. King of Wands. Somebody is around you who could be very attracted and very inspired by you. You still have second thoughts whether to allow this person in, because as I said, you mastered the art of being happy all by yourself. So now you're a little scared to let somebody in that space because you're quite happy in the way you are right now. Okay, so if this resonated, let's see what you can expect in the coming 15 days. Death, Five of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, Knight of Pentacles. I think it's mutual. I mean, I'm picking up more of a love situation here. You will, I mean, even if you're on a pause with this person, you'll start missing this person. And I feel that you guys will be back together again. Because, I mean, whatever doubts you have, all of those doubts are going to go away and you both will be back again with each other. That is what I am seeing. Because there is a very strong chemistry between the two of you. The Death card is usually a very strong card of transformation, change. I'm seeing that, you feel very, very connected to this person, and so does this person. It's from both the sides. I'm seeing that this person feels a sense of connection with you, which is very strong, and you both have something very telepathic and very strong between the two of you. So I am seeing that even though you are not sure, this connection still stays, and it'll grow gradually, is what I'm seeing in these coming 15 days. It's not going to be very fast, it's not going to be very slow, it'll be gradual. Let me clarify the Five of Pentacles here. The Star. Yeah, once you are away from this person is when you will understand how important and how close you are to this person. Okay, so if this resonated, let me pick an advice card for you, Pisces. Be honest with yourself, and justice is coming. Maybe if in the past you haven't got the kind of relationship that you wanted, and basis that particular relationship you judge everyone, then that pattern is coming to an end, which is a good thing. Okay, I am seeing that you would feel happy and content once again. All right, it's not like every person is the same. That is the message for you. Every person is different. You got to be understanding that. Okay, it's not like everyone is here to hurt you. No, it's not that. Not at all. I see that something big and nice is about to happen, which you deserve. Alright, Pisces? Okay, so that's what I have for you. I hope this reading resonates with you. Let me know in the comments. Private readings are open, so you can reach out to me, and I shall see you soon with more readings. And of course, pick a cards and zodiacs. Take care. Bye.